how to fix lossless audio feature not showing on Spotify. So if you want to fix your lossless audio feature not showing on your Spotify, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Spotify application. After opening your Spotify, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top left, and then go with settings and privacy. Once you're under your settings and privacy, here you need to go with media quality and scroll, and you will find the lossless feature. But if you don't find the lossless feature right here, then let's move on to the solutions. First, you need to make sure that you're using the latest version of Spotify application. To make sure, you need to go with your search, and here you need to search for Spotify on your Play Store. After searching for Spotify, if you have any updates on your Spotify, just simply go and update it. After updating, you may find that option. But even after updating, if you don't find the option, then what you need to do is you need to go with your Google or your browser, and you need to search for which countries have access to that feature. So once you've searched, as you can see that you will have all of these countries right here, like over 50 markets, including US, UK, Japan, Australia, Germany, Netherlands, Canada, France, Italy, Spain, India, and Sweden. It is accessible to premium subscribers via the Spotify support page. So if you are not a premium subscriber of Spotify, then you won't find this option. And if you're not in these countries, then you won't find the option. But if your region is listed in these countries and if you have a premium subscription, then you need to just simply go ahead and delete the application that you're using right now and then reinstall it from your App Store or your Play Store. After that, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.